If you're serious about growing on social media today, captions are basically mandatory for grabbing attention. A lot of people scroll with their sound completely off, so if your video doesn't speak visually, you're instantly losing viewers. But let's be honest, editing captions the old way can be incredibly annoying and take up way too much time. If you're deep in Premiere Pro, you know the drill involves dragging text layers, waiting for transcription, and fighting the layout constantly. That process steals precious attention you should be spending on actually making more amazing content. So today I'm giving you a quick tour of 3 solid services I've been experimenting with for free captioning. We'll look at what each one does well, where they stumble, and how they fit into a larger workflow. First up is Adobe Express, which is fantastic if you just need a fast, free way to get basic captions on a single video clip. The process is super simple. You click the plus sign, navigate to Quick Actions, and select Caption Video. After dragging your clip in, you just let the system run its course automatically. The automatic transcription engine they use is surprisingly solid for general conversation. If the AI misses a word, you can easily jump into the text box and make quick manual edits right there. You also get to choose from a handful of pre-made caption styles and quickly adjust the colors to your liking. Honestly, for a lot of everyday creators, this level of styling is more than enough to get the job done. Adobe has clearly invested heavily in their AI features lately, making this a no-brainer for basic captioning, especially on the free tier. However, the main drawback is that true customization possibilities are quite limited here. You won't find an infinite supply of templates, and if you crave fancy motion or layered animations, you will get frustrated. It wins on speed and simplicity, but it certainly won't satisfy someone who needs deep creative control over the final look. Next up is Opus Clip, a tool I've mentioned before that users really seem to enjoy. People love it because the generated captions look incredibly crisp and professional right out of the box. You can also implement fun elements like emoji overlays and caption styles that mimic what big creators are using. This tool is designed to make your short-form content feel truly native to whatever platform you post it on, which is a huge advantage. However, I have encountered a few minor annoyances when using Opus Clip myself. Sometimes the AI makes small errors in context, and you might experience longer than expected queue times for processing. Also, be aware that the free tier can get throttled significantly during peak usage hours. It remains an awesome free option for achieving that polished aesthetic quickly, but scaling requires caution. Then there is Choppity, which leans much harder into the full editing suite, not just slapping text on screen. I actually met some of the founders last year, and they are genuinely passionate people about what they've built. This tool does significantly more than just subtitle generation. It helps you find content from existing videos. You can upload a full video or simply paste a YouTube link for it to analyze the entire thing. It intelligently suggests short, potential clips you could immediately repurpose for shorts or reels. The transcription quality is tight, and the captioning interface gives you great control over fonts and highlights. You can easily tweak outlines, adjust colors, and experiment with different visual treatments for your text. A massive bonus is the ability to drop in B-roll directly from stock libraries within the editor itself. It also offers AI-assisted edits, like background removal for images and adding dynamic zoom effects to your clips. The overall workflow in Choppity feels intuitive. Select a clip, tweak it on the timeline, and add your visual flair. It's almost like having a miniature editor that's already pre-wired to find the most exciting parts of your long video. On the downside, some of the newer features still feel a bit experimental and can occasionally be buggy. Furthermore, when servers are busy, you will still encounter those frustrating wait times for processing your uploads. While it's powerful for editing, it's not currently designed to be a single hub for scheduling and direct publishing across all your platforms. So why am I walking you through this mini tool evaluation today? It's because each of these tools solves a very specific piece of the short-form content puzzle. Adobe Express is for the fastest, simplest caption job you need done right now. Opus Clip is your go-to when you want that polished, creator-inspired caption aesthetic immediately. Choppity offers deeper editing power and is excellent for mining older, long videos for new viral clips. But if you're consistently making lots of clips from long-form content, you have a deeper set of needs that goes beyond basic captioning. This is where I transition to another layer of workflow optimization that those other tools don't fully address. I'm talking about solving problems around content discovery, production volume, and automated distribution. That is precisely the problem space where a platform like Vizard shines brightest for my own operation. I'm not telling you to ditch the others because they are still useful for specific tasks, but Vizard addresses major gaps. First, the auto-editing viral clips feature is an absolute lifesaver for long-form content like interviews or lectures. Instead of manually scanning hours of footage for the good parts, Vizard automatically hunts down those high-engagement moments. It looks for conversational hooks, audience reactions, or sudden shifts in energy to flag potential clips. This gives you a stack of candidate clips ready for review, meaning you scale content without hours of manual sorting. The second game changer is the auto-schedule function, which saves a huge amount of administrative time every week. You simply define how frequently you want clips to go live, and the system manages the publishing timeline for you. This is what truly smart workflow means, letting the AI handle the monotonous delivery schedule so you can focus on creation. Thirdly, the integrated content calendar turns the whole process into one central management hub. Here, you can schedule, manage edits, and publish everything from that one interface without jumping around. Need to tweak the Reels captions slightly differently than the TikTok version? That's easy to handle right here. For creators who need consistency and volume, having everything centralized beats hopping between 5 different applications. Let's quickly look at the real-world trade-offs again to put this into perspective. Adobe Express is cheaper and faster for those simple one-off jobs that just need basic subtitles. Opus Clip delivers on the stylish captions, but the manual exporting and uploading becomes a real burden if you need 10 clips a week. Choppity has great editing features, but its management and cross-platform scheduling capabilities are still quite limited. Vizard combines the discovery, the initial editing, and the final distribution into one cohesive loop, which is the key differentiator. This integration is what separates creating content occasionally from running a consistent, reliable content machine. One final practical point I appreciate is that you are never locked out of editing, even after the AI does its heavy lifting. You can change the clip boundaries, adjust any caption text, swap out B-roll, and then confirm the scheduled publish time. It truly hits that sweet spot where the process feels both deeply collaborative and incredibly fast. For using these tools together, here's a quick recommendation on when to grab which one. If you just need one single captioned clip done in under a minute, Adobe Express will absolutely get you there fast. If your current priority is getting those stylized, high-impact creator captions right now, then Opus Clip is your friend. But if you are serious about mining long videos for volume and running a fully automated publishing schedule, Vizard should be your main operational hub. You can always use the other tools for specific niche caption animations if Vizard's native support doesn't match your exact needs. One last transparency note before we wrap up. None of the tools discussed in this video are sponsoring my time today. These are genuinely tools I either use or would actively recommend based on hands-on experience. I promise to call out any future paid promotions immediately because transparency in this space truly matters. If you want to check any of these out, I'll drop the links down in the description below for you to poke around. Seriously, if you're dedicated to turning those long videos into a steady stream of high-performing shorts, give Vizard a proper spin. Its auto-editing and scheduling features alone are worth exploring for the sheer time savings they offer. If this detailed walkthrough helped you understand the current captioning landscape, please smash that like button right now and make sure you subscribe so you never miss future breakdowns of tools that help you save time and reach more people online. All right, for what's coming up next, I've got a deep dive comparison lined up with even more AI video tools. I'll show you exactly how I combine several of these services in real-world complex workflows for maximum output. Go watch that video next if you want to see side-by-side demos with live examples of these tools in action. Thanks for watching, and I will catch all of you in the next one.